Don't scare him, Daddy. Did he scare you a little? He scared you a little, huh?
Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah.
You're so silly. You're so silly. Let's show the grandmas your new haircut. Jason, show the grandmas your new haircut. You sat still long enough for me to be able to get it somewhat even. Huh? Oh, you calling? Are you calling on the phone? You're so silly. Boo.